Alright guys, we're here at my house and we got a dead tree. And I think this dead tree needs to come down. We're not just gonna cut it down, we're gonna pull it down with the Bayou blaster. Some of you might know what the Bayou blaster is, and some of you might not. It's dead right now, but we're gonna see if we can resurrect it. There she is, the super sick Bayou blaster. It's oh,
no one knows about it.
It's a some year Geo Metro. It's got a full sunroof, air delete kit on it.
Air vents.
Air vents in there for something. Interior's a little, not the best, but look at this thing. It's ready to go. Alright, I started trimming a couple of these branches off so I don't got a whole shit show of a mess to clean up once we drag it down with the blaster. So, I'm gonna chop a couple more off here. Okay, let's go check out my leaf pile. Hey look, a Bud Light. For me? No, maybe for the blaster. Nice shot. I figure we can do better. Salud. Okay, here's my pile. Now here's my pile. Good job, Ed, thanks. I feel like a hot pocket. Do you hear that beep?
Yeah.
Alright, try and crank it. This might work.
This is ridiculous.
We got power.
You ready?
Yeah. It started! It started! Try and drive it out of here. Hold on. Guys, the Bayou blaster just started. We brought it to life. Try and drive that thing out of here.
Ready?
Yeah. You might be stuck in that hole.
Yeah.
Okay, update. We got it hooked up to the Cummins very sketchily. It won't go into... Yo, hold on, hold on. It's stuck in park. If we can get it out of park, we'll be fine. Cisco has come to save the day. And he's fucking up the bumper on his 6.0. Cisco, what are you doing? Cisco, what are you doing? Spin them tires all day. Look at that bumper, it's fucked. It is stuck in a rut or something. We gotta get that thing out of there. Oh, you hit the pirate ship. Almost out of the hole. Alright, we're gonna yank this bitch and do something with it. We're gonna do something with it here. Oh, there she goes. Oh! Flipped it. Damn it. Alright, we're gonna have to flip that back over. Yeah.
Well, that didn't work.
No. Alright, ready? I think three of us, we gotta push like
Now, right here on this side.
yeah, like up high on it. Alright,
It smells like piss.
just rock it. Ready? 1, 2. Keep rocking. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah! That's why we go to the gym, baby! Right there, that's why! Alright, we're here doing a quick tire change. We didn't even need a jack. We just lifted it by hand, shoved the cooler underneath it, strength test. Rubbermaid coolers, you guys do great. This isn't sponsored, but
Word
yeah.
on the street, that's stronger than Harbor Freight Jack.
Oh, I bet it is stronger than a Harbor Freight jack stand.
We have movement.
It's alive! No brakes?
Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of
Let's break something.
Let's Break Something, or Ed's Garage. Welcome to Ed's Garage. As you may see,
Filming?
Yeah.
Ed's in a tree.
Hey guys, it's Ed. I'm up here by the squirrel's nest tying up the Bayou blaster. We're getting ready to drop this tree. So I'm tying it up. Hopefully we don't drop it on the blaster, but we might.
Let's see
Let's send it.
Let's see the nest.
Yeah.
Right here. Should I take it down?
Take it down. The rabbit comes out of the hole, around the tree.
Your scout leader would be so proud of you.
Back.
Oh wait, put it in reverse a little bit. Because that's a little sketchy.
Yeah, that's gonna shoot right
A
through
little backwards.
it. Think this is gonna work?
No,
No.
maybe.
No.
You're good.
Just spin it or something, right?
Okay, now go forward. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
Yeah, I think it's gonna fall this way.
I think it's good.
Out of fuel.
The door opens.
This is going way better than I expected.
Alright, wise words from Ed. How's it going?
Bayou blaster had plenty of power to take the tree down. It didn't have quite the power to pull it down to the pit. So we're chopping it up into sections and then we're pulling it down with the blaster. Shout out to Stats, he's a professional tree cutter. He did it the old cheese cut wedge on that thing, and cheese cut wedge works every time.
Cheese cut.
Call us, we do tree service too.
Freeze frame in, cheese cut wedge.
Cheese cut wedge. There's a baseball game going on down there. Hey kids, coming out! Put your baseball game on pause. We got trees to chop up.
Just pull it.
You pull it like that?
Yeah, it'll cinch down on itself.
We're gonna send her, bud. All right, here we go.
No way.
Keep going!
I can't believe that thing has enough power to pull that down there.
It worked.
Yeah, something like that.
You don't need heavy machinery when you got a Geo Metro. You know what I'm saying? Now this is gonna be a son of a bitch. Look at that knot. Tighter than a frog's asshole.
I mean, that tree had a diet of motor oil and piss for the past 5 years.
And that's why it died.
It was definitely not of natural causes.
Feed a tree oil for a day, it'll start to wither. Let it keep doing it, and you gotta drag it. Confucius say, man with hole in pocket feel cocky all day.
They also say, man go to bed with itchy butthole, wake up with stinky finger.
Confucius say, man who walked through airport turnstile sideways is going to Bangkok. Confucius say, fly on toilet seat, get pissed off.